What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best ironing boards for professional. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. Point 2. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Brabantia Ironing Board. The Brabantia standard-sized ironing board is not only our best all-around choice, but also one of Amazon's choice products for the best ironing board on the market. Available in a selection of 12 colors and 4 sizes, this 49x 15-inch board has a steam iron rest for continued comfort and safety. Thoroughly sturdy in construction, it is held up by 4 sturdy legs which offer strong support whether on carpeted areas or on hard floors. To ensure the board doesn't move around during use, there are also non-slip caps attached on the feet. Designed to allow a more extensive work surface when ironing, the Brabantia ironing board aims to make ironing a more pleasant task and can be used with most standard irons. To ensure you can iron in maximum comfort, the board allows you to change its height settings, selecting from 4 options ranging from 30 inches to 38 inches in total. With a crucial child safety lock inbuilt into the board, there's no chance of it collapsing while in use, and this also ensures it can be folded safely and securely when not being used. Finally, the Brabantia ironing board comes with a fantastic 10-year guarantee. Customers selecting the Brabantia standard-sized ironing board find this one of the more stable of products which hold well when ironing a variety of items on it, but more so is perhaps one of the more durable ironing boards on the market, which many customers claiming this board has lasted them for several years. Number 4. Minky Homecare Ironing Board. The Minky Ergo Plus is not only a 100% practical ironing board but also a visually stunning modern board, which would look great in any home. A thoroughly ergonomically designed model, this is perhaps one of the best ironing boards when it comes to power and peak performances. With comfort at the fore of this design and a maximum height of 37 inches, the result is a 100% cotton prozone cover which has fantastic qualities, ensuring faster crease removal and a speedier overall ironing process. This is due to the unique coating of the padded cover, which is heat-reflective metallic. Added to this is its ergo rack, which once again increases the speed of the job while providing a more user-friendly design and resting position. With a simple flex guide attached to hold the iron cord, tangling and snagging is a thing of the past with the Ergo Plus board. Complete with a 5-year guarantee, this model makes ironing a more straightforward process while ensuring the board remains in place through stable and robust long loop legs. What's more, this 48 by 15-inch model allows you to utilize the access a low-level rack attached, where you can even place your steam generator if you prefer. Customers of the Minky Ergo Plus claim it's one of the best designed boards they've used, offering excellent stability and a much more comfortable surface to iron on for more extended periods of time. Though it's seen as the more expensive of models, the price for most customers is thoroughly reflected in the many features this board offers. Number 3. Reliable Longboard. The reliable 320lb Longboard not only gets our vote as one of the best ironing boards for quilting, but Amazon has also given it their seal of approval as well. This is a unique design as it has a 2-in-1 element not usually found in such products. This allows you to use it as a regular ironing surface and then switch quickly over to a more extended board whenever you need to, giving you a larger surface in the process, from 18.9 by 60 inches to 67 inches if you prefer. This extended board makes it a great choice for quilters and knitters. Combining a 7-step height adjustment taking you from 30 inches to 38 inches, the reliable longboard is constructed using a strong frame to ensure maximum stability throughout, which is enhanced by its double wishbone legs that prevent any wobbling of the board. As a great addition, the iron station area is also extended and extra strong, and most importantly ergonomically designed to reduce the bending action of the wrist each time you reach for your iron. Additionally, this model has a handy laundry rack which not only allows you to place folded clothes on it but also works as an attachment for when you iron dresses, robes, and garments that are longer in length. With a 10-year frame warranty, 2 additional cover pads and an added heat insert acting as a heat and fire-resistant solution, this really is a reliable ironing board. Customers purchasing the reliable Longboard highly rate this as the perfect choice for quilters and those ironing larger garments, due to its fantastic ergonomic design throughout. Number 2. Extra Wide Pro Board. The Mabel Home Extra Wide Pro Board is another Amazon favorite and our choice of best extra wide boards. This is a multi-purpose and multifunctional board which also offers users an astounding 8 additional unique features as standard. This extra large board provides a more fuller ironing surface of 58 by 18 inches, making it perfect for those larger of items you need to iron. With a heavy-duty padded cover and its 100% cotton surface layer, this board is patented and provides unique retractable shoulder wings to make the whole process of ironing everything hassle-free. This is perhaps the easier of boards to set up, use, and take down with a stable safety locking system allowing you to maneuver the board to the desired height from 27.5 inches to 36 inches maximum. Encouraging a smooth ironing process through its friction-free gliding cover, there is also a cord holder, clothes hanging rail and storage basket attached for ultimate convenience throughout. Complete with a safety lock to ensure the iron does not accidentally collapse while in use, this is a sturdier of frames making it perfect for standard use as well as the more professional and industrial of jobs. Customers purchasing the Mabel Home Extra Wide Pro Board highly rate the whole ironing experience as a more pleasurable one when using this model. This is claimed to be entirely due to its increased accessibility through its additional size. It is, therefore, rated as great value for money every time. The offer of 8 other features is also a big draw for many customers. Number 1. Honey Can Do Tabletop Ironing Board. The Honey Can Do Tabletop Ironing Board is our best tabletop ironing board choice and Amazon's top pick. Not only does this board offer the simplicity of being a tabletop model, but it also adds to the size with its retractable iron rest. This means that rather than placing the iron back on the board each time, you immediately have a more fuller ironing surface with somewhere safe to hold the iron when not in use. More so, when you aren't using this rest, you can just push it back in and hide it from view. With reduced dimensions, this is the easier of boards to use when space is limited or even when there isn't much time to bring out a bulkier ironing board. With the ability to handle an array of ironing tasks, the Honey Can Do model is a polycotton covered board with a pad beneath for extra comfort which can be collapsed and folded away out of sight when you've finished using it. Light in weight and at just the right dimensions to ensure you can iron entire outfits on, this is perfect for the college students, crafters, and those who live in smaller accommodations. It's also a great model for taking with you on your travels, making sure you can still look your best after being on the road for several hours. Satisfied customers of the Honey Can Do Tabletop Ironing Board state that there's little to complain about with this product as it is correctly priced and does everything it claims to do, making it perfect when a standard ironing board just isn't a practical option. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.